Hello, Fresh fam. My name is Hualalai Chung, and I play Moni from Moana 2. We're here on the beautiful island of Oahu, Hawaii, famous for its incredible surf and delicious poke.
Take your good attitude, leave your bad attitude, and keep the fear vibes up.
Today we're going to be learning a little bit of basic contemporary dance. Okay.
Oh, okay.
A bit of emotion, some
Yeah, that's sort of like the...
Okay. Exactly that, my friend.
Damn it!
Talofa lava freshies, it's the 1-8 Kasivalu, and I'm here to give you a few tips on how to get ready to go to Polyfest. First thing, organize your travel to and from. Make sure that you have a plan to get there because there are thousands of people at the biggest Pacifica cultural festival in the world. Take your good attitude, leave your bad attitude, and keep the fear vibes up. Tip number 2. Who are you going to support? This is going to indicate what colors you need to wear. Now remember, there's a lot of market stores there, so support your local. Nature's Palusame and Kiorana, support the aunties. On the day, there's a lot of food around, but you need to be prepared. Bring your own lunch. And remember, don't be a peach. And make sure you're prepared for all the business. In Polyfest, it gets really hot. And I don't know why sometimes we need to remind ourselves that we're not in the South Pole and it isn't Christmas. So, leai, ikai, kaore to the Kathmandu jacket. Compulsory with this outfit, footwear. Make sure you have the right shoes for the entire day. This is a 3-day festival with over 5 stages. That's a lot of steps. And they don't have any of those lime scooters, you know, so lime scooters drive around the whole festival, hey, kasi. Lastly, check yourself. Polyfest is about cultural preservation and the celebration of Te Moana Nui a Kiwa. Leave your bad attitude and bad vibes at home and bring your fear vibes. And if you're not there for the yummy food, the dances, and the celebration of our people, get out of here. We don't want you there. Because in the club, we all fam.
Aloha, my name is Hualalai Chung, and welcome to my world.
Oh, morning.
It's both of us, actually. Maui and me.
You know, they send through the Zoom link and they pop up. They basically ask me, they're like, okay, so like, tell us a little bit about yourself. And I remember saying like, well, you know, my full name is Keenan Edward Hualalai Chung. I'm from Kaneohe, Oahu. I love playing music and singing and dancing and, you know, telling stories with my friends. And when I'm not doing any of those things, I'm on my boat, probably stuck because my motor decides not to work half the time. One of our directors is just like, you just gave the bio of this character that we're looking at for you. To which then they said, we are the directorial staff and the production team for Moana. And I'm like, oh, snap. When you've seen relationships between places like Samoa, Fiji, Tonga, you know, or even Hawaii, Aotearoa, Tahiti, you know, there are so many crosses between each other. And so I always embrace that, you know, and that by doing so, your family, your ohana becomes so much bigger. And that's been one of the things I've really loved about the story of Moana is that it really encompasses kind of a broader spectrum of what it is to be Pacific Islander.
We found it! Really quickly.
I like to feel like I've grown up like real small town, like Hawaii boy, you know, walking around with our friends with chickens under their arms. I definitely grew up, I feel like in the culture of Hawaii and what Hawaii is. I am native Hawaiian, and my dad always encouraged my brother and I to never really think of ourselves necessarily as just native Hawaiian, but more so to think of ourselves as Polynesian or Pacific Islanders. One of my biggest passions has always been Polynesian performing arts, so like hula, fire knife dancing, Tahitian drumming, kapa haka, everything in between. But when it came to music, you know, I always fell in love with the drums. And it wasn't until like high school that I had the fond young teenage boy realization that it is very hard to serenade a girl on the drums. So I picked up a guitar. I like to feel like I'm a singer-songwriter type of musician.
1, 2, 7, 9.
But I would definitely say I lead with my heart, especially in different Polynesian musics, derives from gospel, right? And derives from church and whatnot. And I love that even more so because there's so much spirit and so much good heart and will in a lot of Polynesian music because of that.
I'm sweating from the instant pressure, trying to satisfy everyone.
The entirety of our cast, we all come from grassroots parts of the Pacific. You know, like a lot of us speak our languages, you know, a lot of us come from these communities where these funny depictions of these characters in the story remind us of people, whether it be like our parents or our friends and family. So there is definitely grown to be a connection through this story. And it's so cool to see what this story has done in our lives and what it does for people, you know, outside of the actual cast and crew, you know. There's a line towards the end of the film where Moni says, I've spent my whole life retelling some of the greatest stories of our people. And thanks to you, I get to be in one. And I remember right after finishing that last word, stepped back from the mic and started bawling. So I definitely have poured and pulled on like everything, mind, body, and spirit, you know, when portraying Moni, from being such a geek to being such a heartfelt contributor to the community. You know, like that's definitely who I like to be and who I want to be. And you know, I think the story of Moni is an amazing representation of who I am.
It's deeply personal to me because, yeah, it's a love letter to my own mother and it's a tribute to her. And it is a celebration of the womanhood in which I have taken as a blueprint in how I get to be a woman today.
Welcome back to Fresh Out the Water. It's your boy Fat Boy 2.
And it's your boy Uso Jax.
Off to another facility.
So I hope we're not doing anything outrageous, eating monga monga, eating a cockroach, you know? Like,
Because I grew up with a lot of monga monga.
I know, I did too, cuz. So I hope it's nothing like that, you know what I mean? Like,
Because the monga monga will know your name.
yes.
But yeah, we're here.
Empire Studios.
Community of Performing Arts.
Are we doing a music video?
It better not be performing martial arts.
Welcome to the studio, boys. Nice to have you here. Today we're going to be learning a little bit of basic contemporary dance.
Okay. Oh, okay.
A bit of emotion, some expression.
That's sort of like the...
Okay.
Exactly that, my friend.
Damn it.
Do you guys have any contemporary dance experience or dance experience?
You can crumb.
Oh, yeah.
You can hit that thuggy.
Contemporary dance is basically, to my understanding, an extension of modern dance, and that came after classical ballet. Ballet was more aesthetically driven, which is why it's all kind of like upright and long and straight, and you know, contemporary dance is more expressive. Today we're going to learn 3 little kind of movement or phrases. 3 of these movements you're going to learn, and then you're going to make up a phrase with your own story, incorporating those 3 movements. The first one, you might have heard of this. It's called a waltz. First position is our heels together, and you're just going out to as far as you can go.
None of our thighs can lock in.
That's okay as long as the heels are together as far as they can go, and think of lifting in your hips and thinking tall. In, up, up. In, up, up.
Good work, good
Ah,
work.
beautiful work. Now
Where's the advanced classes?
Now with your arms, take us on a story. Take us on a journey. What are you trying to say? Are you saying I'm the most grandest person in the world, or are you saying
I'm Moana
something
from
else?
Motunui. I'm Moana from
Exactly.
Motunui.
Now we're gonna go into a lunge. Think of opening the heavens with your arms. So step, bend, and then you're gonna roll up. Yes! Now roll up, roll up, roll up. Try to give it that emotion. What is your story? You know, contemporary dance, we're opening the heavens, or whatever else you want to open. What would you like
There's
to open?
other things they want to open.
So for this last move, we're gonna face this side. Spot here, follow, follow, follow. And then you're gonna whip around and turn, but you're gonna keep your eyes to the front, and then you're gonna whip it around. Yeah?
Okay.
Boom! Yes.
Okay.
And try to think of your body as being like on a pole. Think of a pu'a. You know how he's rolling around like this?
Oh,
You
yeah,
just
well, he would
imagine
know
like
straight
you're
away.
rolling around
He
like
would know.
this. Go, and just say turn, woo!
Cuz, slow down. It's bouncing, cuz. It's bouncing.
Yeah, I'm like...
It's bouncing. Hey, guys. My name's Uso Jax. And my performance is ordinary.
Let's go, cuz.
1, 2, 3, 1. I'm no ordinary girl from the deep blue underworld. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, guys. I'm Fats482, and my performance today is about blocking the noise. Get away from me. I am not signing up to your program. I'm not available. I'm not commenting, all right? Oh, please leave me alone. I'm not commenting to start. Thank you, guys.
So boys, how you feeling? Feeling good?
Great, man.
Well done. Thank you so much for your work today.
To be honest, that was difficult. That was hard. But I loved it.
Yeah, it was a lot harder than we thought. So, mad respect to you guys and what you guys do.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, all good, man.
My guy, bro.
Thank you for your time. Beautiful work. Beautiful storytelling, man.
Yeah, definitely locking up
Another session.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
Oh, no worries.
You have a good one.
Thanks, guys. You guys take care.
Thanks, Vincent. Man. Oh, my back.
Talafalava, we're the cast of Ma, and we're here at the Q Theatre, and we're keeping it fresh.
We're gonna have breakfast at the table, and we'll just kind of go from there.
Because when he looks towards John John, stage off stage, he's lit beautifully. Like,
It's deeply personal to me because, yeah, it's a love letter to my own mother, and it's a tribute to her. And it is a celebration of the womanhood in which I have taken as a blueprint in how I get to be a woman today. As well as it being personal because it's also a celebration of Ainga Filifilia and chosen family. And I love my mom too. She's like a good night's kiss and my morning coffee with a warmth no summer can replace. And a love deeper and stronger than any ocean. My mother, who so elegantly weaves villages together, can with the same hand rip them apart. A lot of the times we hear quite often about our fathers and relationships with them, but we don't really get to talk much or have conversation around our relationships with our mothers because motherhood is very gentle and it's very sensitive. So when it came to the conceptualizing of this work, because it's devised, so most of them were just concepts and ideas that we just delivered and executed. When we were thinking about that, we were just thinking about Some of the nuanced conversations that we were bringing to the forefront and that we don't traditionally have as Pasifika people, but also as queer Pasifika people as well.
Love me again, undo this love.
For me, I found rehearsals and just being together a very sacred space. I think this comes down to being so much more than a performance. But yeah, I see it as welcoming other people into our family.
I think it's such a privilege that we're in a position to create something like this with each other, because we are a family.
I've been a part of Auckland Pride programming before. We signaled a lack of brown representation, but more so queer Pasifika representation within their programming. So to then be given this opportunity this year and to be held at the highest of standard, I think is a sign that Auckland Pride are interested in really getting to the nitty-gritty and really bringing us into the fold of their festival through amplification and through exemplifying this work. And I'm glad to be the first girlie who's doing it.
Her smile is etched within the clouds, reminding me to breathe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Lekker,
You're here with
conversation.
Lekker and
Lekker.
Fina. Mow the lawns. We
Lekker.
literally had to wake up early today. Like, hello, it's a Saturday. No, back to bed, cousin. The camera wasn't recording.
God, what the hell? How'd you even get in here?
Ugh, that breath. Just lay back down. Morning. Nice, cuz. You're giving like just woke up realness. Someone's in everything. Perfect. Oh, good. You brushed your teeth and your hair.
Oh.
Bless.
Did my mom leave already?
Oh, yeah. She went to work. Oh, but she told me to tell you to clean the bathroom, fold the ganga mat, and, like, do the lawns.
Bro.
Hey, guys. Welcome to my vlog. You're here with my very authentic, rustic island girl cousin. Say hi.
Lekker.
Say,
Stop.
come with me while I spend a day with a freshie. I mean, island girl. Crikey! What a rare sight, mates. Here we have in her natural habitat, the elusive island girl. Just look at her. Graceful, majestic, engaging in a sacred ritual passed down for generations. Hanging the ganga mare. Truly a marvel of nature. Just look
Oh,
at
marvel
her.
of nature, eh?
Wait, I have to get a video of the before.
What?
So we just hung up the ganga mare. Now we're gonna clean the bathroom before we cook.
We?
Okay, fine. Maybe I'm just supervising. Okay, just.
Lekker. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Fina.
Lick up. Okay.
What are you doing, man?
Put the time on.
Sorry, that's so.
Fina, I'm
Sorry,
literally
there's
doing a TikTok
something
dance.
dirty looking on the screen.
Yeah, it's you. Move.
I'm
literally trying to.
Oh wait, I found it.
Oh my god, Fina!
It's okay. Don't move, don't move, don't move.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Lekker,
You're here with
conversation.
Lekker and
Lekker.
Fina. Mow the lawns. We
Lekker.
literally had to wake up early today. Like, hello, it's a Saturday. Anyways, outfit of the day. I'm wearing a white t-shirt from Glassons. This is from my closet. Shoes, 1960s. It's like really hot, like literally I can't be bothered mowing lawns, but you know. Hey, go Fina. Mow them lawns, mow them lawns, mow them lawns. Hey guys.
Leka, it's off. Leka, I turned it off.
Yeah, I know, but they don't know that.
Oh, yeah.
Anyways, guys, it was such hard work, literally. She made me walk like 2 steps, and I was like, hello, get out the way. Trying to mow the lawns.
Oh my gosh, hey guys, it's me. Like, I'm here with my cousin. It's not even centered. And fit check.
If you guys want,
this is mine when I was a size.
When you guys you're making me stutter right now because I can't even focus on my viewers.
You only got 2 viewers on right now. Leave a comment down below, and then I'll get back to you.
Just standing here, literally.
It's me and my cousin doing the vow. Are you doing the vow?
Are you? Is
that awful to do a vow?
Well, anything can do the vow. I am the vow.
Give it a try, give it a try, give it a try.
Oh, God. I'm so tired. That was like hard work.
Yeah, it must have been hard work being on your phone all day, eh?
Wait, our vlog is blowing up. OMG, the girl in the lava is so pretty.
Wait, lava?
What's her at?
What?
She does lawns better than me.
Where can I get me a girl like that? Period.
Think I just found my wife, guys. What's... Yeah, lava girl's name.
Oh, there. Here's one about you.
Where? Show me.
She's so le maths go help Ville Davao. Oh my gosh, go cuz. Facts. Oh my gosh, I just got 100 new followers. Guys, it's probably from the vlog that you just got. Oh my, look at this one here about you right now. Look, le masangi, le faifeao, fa'afoi mayo underwear. Cuz, how does Auntie have TikTok? What the hell?
Mahalo for staying tuned with me today. If you're ever on island, be sure to check out Rainbow's Drive-In, my favorite plate lunch spot. Until next week, stay safe and keep it fresh. Shoots.
Hey!